everyone. We're going to find the area of the region bounded by the given curves. This is basically our curve here, and we have these two lines that's going to bound it. So basically what we're going to do is just set this to 0 to find the intersection points where y is 0. So we have y equals y, so you set 0 equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x. Alright, so that's going to give you, factor out an x. You get x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then let's factor this. Let's see, x minus 2, x minus 1, and that equals 0. So basically the intersection points are going to occur at x equals 0, x equals 1, and x equals 2. Another thing to remember is looking at this. This is a polynomial of degree 3, and that means our end behavior, it starts in quadrant 3, ends in quadrant 1, because it's positive. So basically that's what I'm going to do is just sketch a graph, just to get an idea what this looks like. So we're starting through here, we're going through 0, 1, and 2. And since all the multiplicities are 1, it means it crosses. So, and I'm not going to worry about the min and maximum values or anything like that. So it goes up to there. Now this is 2, and we also have the bound of y equals 0. And we also have this bound x equals 3. So I'll put the 3 here and put some bound here. So that's x equals 3. So that's a little sketch. And now your shaded region, we don't have to worry about quadrant 3 because it just says y equals 0, and we have to start in quadrant 3 by end behavior. So these are our 3 areas that are bound by the curve. So basically for this first one, we're just going to go from 0, this is 0 to 1 to 2 to 3. So we're going to have 3 different areas we have to work on. This is going to be the area from 0 to 1 of our y. And I'm just going to put y for now. Y dx. And then since this one is below our x-axis, this shaded area here, you put minus. So that's minus from 1 to 2 since it's negative. So that's going to be y dx. And then the second area, this third area here, is above the x-axis. So that's going to be plus, and that was from 2 to 3 of y dx. Now for the next slide, I'm going to do it on the next slide, I'm going to substitute back in my y given right here. So let's do that. We're going to get the integral from 0 to 1 of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x dx minus the integral from 1 to 2 of the same and then do it again plus, I'm going to have to move it up here, plus the integral from 2 to 3 of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x dx. Alright, so it's just, this is the same. Now let's integrate it. We only have to basically integrate it for this one. So that's going to be 1/4 x to the power of 4 minus x cubed plus x squared. And we're evaluating this from 0 to 1. And then just keep copying it down. So 1/4 x to the power of 4 minus x cubed plus x squared. And this is going to be from 1 to 2. And then we have our plus, copy it down again. 1/4 x to the 4th power minus x cubed plus x squared. And this is from 2 to 3. All right, let's substitute in our numbers. We start at 1. We don't need to do this 0. So for this one, we're going to get 1/4 minus 1 plus 1. So that's this one right here. Now this one, we're going to have to do the 2 and the 1. So you do the 2 first. So it's going to be minus 1/4 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 cubed plus 2 squared. And then you're supposed to subtract, but we have this minus, so I'm just going to change it to plus and do the 1. So the 1's just going to be 1/4 minus 1 plus 1. Now we have to do this one. It's the last one. So we finished with this one. So let's do this one. This one's going to be plus 1/4 times 3 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 3, or 3 cubed, plus 3 squared. Then you have to subtract your 1/4 times 2 to the power of 4 plus minus 2 cubed plus 2 squared. All right. Oh, let's see. These two are the same. These two are the same. And this one's the one that's a little different. So basically what we're going to get is, you can use a calculator or whatever works best for you, but we're going to get 1/2 plus 9/4, and that's going to equal 11 divided by 4. So this is your area there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.